Hi people, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tina Chats TV on YouTube. I love you guys so much. Thank you for coming. I love you guys so much. May God bless you for always turning up for me. You guys are wonderful. I love you guys so much. Please, you guys should keep supporting me. Anytime you see my notification, please come and watch me. Come and watch. Come and watch. Oh. Watch, like, comment, and share. Okay, I love you. Thank you so much, guys. May God bless you. Thank you. So today I'm going to be doing very important something. Very important something. So I'm going to be doing cough syrup. You know, summer is coming and winter is going. You know, this weather now, you just, you understand, you just, if summer dey come like this, the weather dey always dey summer, you understand, so changes will come. Children will start coughing, bringing catarrh and all those things, you understand, especially those breeze that are blowing, you understand. So what you need to do is, I got the remedy for cough and catarrh. So what you need to do is get your this one is oyo. We just have 2 ingredients to say bye bye to cough, bye bye to catarrh. So get your oyo. This one is, I bought this in a Africa shop. It was when my husband went to Nigeria that he bought this one. This one is the original one that they did not miss at all. So this one, get oyo, then get honey. You understand? So get honey, original honey that they did not miss. So get honey. What you need to do is cut little. I don't want to make it now because we are free, no cough and catarrh in this house. But if cough and catarrh come, I always use this thing normally. So cut little of oyo. You understand? Cut little of oyo. You can see the oyo very clean and neat, because it's the better one. So cut little of oyo, then you put it inside the paracetamol cover, you know, for children. Paracetamol cover. Then you collect small of honey, you put it inside, you melt it, you understand. So you melt it. After melting it, give it to the child to drink. Please do not give it to child that are under 1 year, please, I beg of you, because honey is not too good for kids that are under 1 year. Yeah. So the second one is get orange. This is orange. You know, my kids know they always drink this oyo. I don't know why. And oyo is very good. But my baby, I do give oyo, just oyo, then use oyo to massage in this place. Just oyo, only oyo, now they give my baby. I will melt it, I will just give it to her. They cut this one, orange, for the big boys, 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, can you take it up. They cut orange, squeeze it inside the paracetamol cover. Big people can still take it too. As for me, I do take it. I'll just use orange. Then my children will do take this one also. My husband and others. So you cut it, you squeeze this inside paracetamol cover, then add honey inside. Mamma mia, say bye bye to cough. Say bye bye to cough. Say bye bye to cough. Then you just melt it, then drink it. If now person where they cough, buku, they cough, you don't let you sleep maybe 2 days now. Once you give her this remedy when I talk, so bad, you go even surprise, say the baby go sleep, people sleep, maybe like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. The baby go, the pikin go sleep. You will see changes that particular time. So just do it maybe 3 times. Mama mia, I said no to cough, and say no to cough, and say no to cough. So that is it. This is just 2 remedy that I'm using, and it's really working. Please, I didn't say you use, after using this one you use this one. No, use one out of the 2. Okay, use one out of the 2. Like my other children now, they don't take oyoyo. I don't know, because they feel like instead they use orange to take it. Understand? Like my daughter, that is 3 years now, the same thing I'm using for her. Okay, she's not up to 3 years yet. The same thing I'm using for her, so I'm using orange also for her. So after I'm doing this remedy, bye bye to cough, bye bye to catarrh, bye bye to any cold that will be inside of them. You understand? So if I'm not still feeling fine, adults can also use it also. Use orange also, and honey. So that is it. If you use this remedy, one out of these 2, say no, say bye bye to cough, say bye bye to catarrh. I said use honey and urioyo. That is number 1. Number 2, or orange and honey. You understand? Don't use the 2 at once. Choose the one you want to use. I know kids will always want orange, because orange is very sweet. Urioyo not the sweet now. You'll be like blah. You know how they do for mouth. So use one out of the 2. Please do not use the 2 at once. Okay, do not use the 2 at once. That is it. So that is the remedy for now. Okay, so if I have any remedy again,